Something fundamental shapes our money. It is often unseen. It operates in plain sight. We observe its outcomes daily, but we rarely grasp its true nature. Highly intelligent people struggle with money. Average intellects build vast fortunes. This defies common sense. It confounds our expectations. Why does this pattern repeat consistently? A powerful force is quietly at work. It holds more sway than any IQ. This force is a hidden mechanism. It determines financial destiny. You might believe smarts lead to riches. Society often tells us this. We admire sharp minds. We link intelligence to success. But financial reality reveals something else. It shows a deeper structure. This structure is quite simple, yet it is profoundly powerful. It impacts everyone, without exception. Understanding it changes everything for you. It redefines how money truly works. This insight unlocks lasting wealth. It is about discipline, not raw brain power. Consider two individuals, John and Mark. Both earn a modest $60,000 annually. John is highly intelligent. He makes savvy market calls sometimes. He buys hot stocks. He chases quick returns often. He saves sporadically. He spends impulsively sometimes too. His balance bounces up and down. Mark possesses average intelligence. He understands basic investing. He avoids market speculation. He simply saves $500 every month. He invests in broad market funds. He does this consistently for decades. Mark never checks his portfolio daily. He focuses on steady contributions. 20 years pass quietly. John has made some big wins. He also suffered big losses. His total savings now sit at $150,000. He feels frustrated often. Mark's portfolio has grown steadily. His $500 monthly investment compounded. He now holds over $400,000. Mark is not smarter than John. He is simply more disciplined. His outcome seems almost magical. It reveals a hidden financial law. This law is called compound interest. But it is more than a formula. It is a behavioral multiplier. It amplifies consistent actions. It punishes inconsistent ones severely. Financial discipline is just consistency. It is sticking to a simple plan. It is delaying gratification always. It is making small, wise choices daily. Intelligence helps you understand concepts. Discipline helps you execute those concepts. Execution builds actual wealth. Many misunderstand this crucial point. They seek complex investment strategies. They believe more knowledge is the answer. They chase the next big thing. They want to outsmart the market. This is a path to disappointment. The market does not care about your IQ. It responds to time and consistency. It rewards those who stay the course. It punishes those who deviate often. A simple plan executed perfectly wins. A brilliant plan executed poorly fails. Think about a small, consistent leak. It drains a massive reservoir slowly. $5 daily coffee costs $1. 825 yearly. Over 20 years. That is $36. 500. If invested, it could be $70. 000 plus. This small daily choice impacts greatly. It subtracts from your future wealth. Now, consider a small, consistent deposit. Investing $5 daily yields massive returns. It builds quietly, almost invisibly. This is the power of small decisions. It is about direction, not speed. The financial system is a marathon. It is not a sprint race. Most people want quick sprints. They desire instant financial rewards. They feel urgent pressure constantly. This mindset works against them. It leads to emotional decisions. It causes panic during market downturns. It causes euphoria during upswings too. Intelligence can even become a hindrance. Smart people often overthink things. They try to time the market perfectly. They look for clever loopholes always. They tinker with their portfolios often. This constant activity erodes returns. Each trade incurs fees. Each shift breaks compounding. Discipline means setting it and forgetting it. It means automating your savings. It means ignoring the daily noise. It means trusting the long-term trend. It means staying invested through cycles. This is boring for some. It lacks intellectual stimulation for many. But boredom is highly profitable here. It is the secret of the patient investor. It generates immense, silent wealth. It requires emotional control deeply. It requires commitment to a vision. Most people misunderstand risk too. They see market volatility as risk. They fear losing money immediately. The real risk is not acting consistently. The real risk is missing compounding. The real risk is living paycheck to paycheck. The real risk is being unprepared always. These are much larger threats. They impact your future freedom profoundly. Discipline mitigates these true risks. It builds a financial safety net. It creates opportunities over time. It is your most powerful financial tool. Let's look at two more individuals. Sarah and David. Both earn $80. 000. Sarah is a brilliant financial analyst. She researches companies meticulously. She feels confident in her stock picks. She sometimes waits for market dips. She believes timing is key. Her portfolio mirrors her intensity. She has some great wins. She also has some painful losses. Her average annual return is 7%. David is a kindergarten teacher. He does not analyze stocks closely. He invests $800 every single month. He puts it into an S&P 500 index fund. He never touches it at all. He trusts the broad market's growth. His average annual return is 10%. After 30 years, their outcomes diverge. Sarah, with all her smarts, has $800. 000. David, with simple consistency, has $1. 5 million. The difference is not intelligence. It is the power of sustained action. It is the power of discipline. It is the beauty of consistent investment. It is letting time do the heavy lifting. This hidden structure affects daily life. It impacts debt accumulation greatly. Discipline means paying bills on time. It means avoiding high-interest debt. It means living within your means always. Intelligence can rationalize overspending. It can find complex excuses easily. Discipline acts without needing reasons. It simply follows the established rules. It creates financial peace of mind. It frees up mental energy. The system is not rigged against you. It rewards specific behaviors. It rewards patience and prudence. It values consistent, deliberate action. It cares little for raw intellect. This is a liberating truth for many. You do not need to be a genius. You do not need to predict the future. You need only choose discipline. You need only act consistently. You need only trust the process deeply. Your greatest financial asset is behavior. It is your capacity for self-control. It is your commitment to a plan. This is the ultimate financial superpower. It transcends all market fluctuations. It builds lasting, robust wealth. The real game is a long one. It is played by showing up daily. It is played by doing simple things. It is played by avoiding complexity. It is played by trusting compounding. This is the quiet truth of money. It is the mechanism that truly works. It is waiting for you to embrace it. Consider your own financial habits. Where can consistency build your future? What simple, disciplined steps can you take? Start today. Just begin.